when you're driving a stick, just remember that neutral is always your friend. Neutral is right here. I'm not in a gear. Now the reason I'm not rolling backwards is because there's this parking brake here. So again, this parking brake's always your friend. This car is an older car. It's a 1967 Beetle. So I'm going to show you just a quick video of these pedals here, right? So you have your normal foot pedals, you have a gas pedal and a brake pedal. So if you've driven an automatic car, there's nothing different there. You know, this is your go pedal and this is your stop pedal. The difference with this car is that it's a 4-speed manual transmission. So when you start the car, you don't just put this into a drive gear. You're going to be moving this around to shift through the gears manually. So the way you do that, and it's I made the video that you can kind of see me driving around, although you can't really see the pedals and what I'm doing with my hand. It's very simple. The clutch is going to go in, and that will basically be the same as being in neutral. You're not going to be in a gear, okay? And then you're just going to put the car into a gear. So you're in gear, and the whole deal here is you'll feel you're going to be, when you have this foot down, you're not going to be in a gear, okay? Because you're basically in neutral for every sense of the word. So now you're in a gear, you just slowly let this out and you'll feel the car start to creep forward, and then you want to give it some gas, right? So you're doing two things there with your feet, right? You're letting off of your left foot, you're letting it up, and then you're pushing down on your right foot to give it some gas, and you'll feel the car start to creep forward.